Right, so you think your turntable sounds good? Wait until you see what happens when I swap out this basic cartridge for something that costs more than most people's cars. I'm talking £12,000 sterling for a cartridge. Yes, you heard that right, and the difference is absolutely mental. Now, moving coil cartridges. They're like the Formula One cars of the vinyl world. While your basic moving magnet cartridge is wiggling a heavy magnet around like it's doing aerobics, these clever little things keep the magnet still and just wiggle a tiny coil instead. It's genius, really. The technical magic, made simple. Here's where it gets interesting. Less mass means better tracking. Think of it like this. Would you rather have a heavyweight boxer trying to follow a pencil line or a ballet dancer? That's the difference we're talking about here. We're looking at tracking weights between 1.5 to 2.5 grams. That's lighter than a paperclip. But here's the kicker, and this is where it gets properly mental. You can get a decent moving coil for about £60, or you can go completely bonkers and spend £12,000. Some people actually do this. And when the stylus wears out after 300 to 1,000 hours, you can't just replace the needle like you can with moving magnets. Nope, the whole cartridge goes in the bin. Mental, right? My ears are old, but they can still tell the difference between a £60 cartridge and a £12,000 one, and that's exactly why I need your help in the comments. I want to know which camp you're in. Drop a comment right now and tell me the most you've ever spent on audio gear, and be brutally honest. I'll pin the most shocking answer, and I'll bet someone's going to make my £12,000 cartridge look like pocket change. But before you comment, smash that like button if this video just saved you from making an expensive mistake, or if it's convinced you to blow your savings on a cartridge. And if you want more brutally honest reviews of gear that costs more than most people's cars, hit subscribe and ring that bell, because next week I'm finding out what part of a turntable actually makes vinyl sound better than digital. Spoiler alert, the results might shock you. Right then, comment time, most expensive audio purchase, go! And while you're down there, tell me what overpriced gear you want me to review next. This is Gary, keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next one.